Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bowl. Today in this video we're gonna see how to crochet this cute fan flower crochet earrings. It's a very simple and easy crochet pattern. If you want a free written pattern of these earrings, it's available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. Meanwhile, if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. For this project, I'm going to use size 8 crochet thread. The review of this thread is available in the channel. And I'm going to need a scissor, pearl, sewing needle, sewing thread, and 1.25 millimeter crochet hook. Let's proceed working with the earrings. So I'm going to work a magic ring for round 1, and then I'm going to work a chain 3. This chain 3 is considered as our first double crochet. And then I'm going to go ahead work 14 more double crochet around the magic ring. So with the chain 3 we are going to have 15 double crochets on the magic ring. So once you work chain 3 plus 14 double crochets around the magic ring, we are going to work a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3 to close this round 1. So at the end of round 1 we should have 15 double crochet stitches. So now I'm going to work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3 to close this round 1, and you can tighten the magic ring and secure it with a knot. Now let's proceed with round 2. For round 2 I'm going to work chain 4, and then I'm going to work 5 double crochets on chain 1. So we are creating a petal that looks like a fan, and work 5 double crochets on chain 1. That's number 3. Work 2 more double crochets on the same chain. So this will be our first petal. So we have worked 5 double crochets now. Now you're going to skip one stitch and work a slip stitch on the next stitch. We're going to work slip stitch on the next stitch after skipping one stitch, and then I'm going to go ahead work slip stitch on the next stitch as well. And once again we're going to repeat this pattern of making petals. We work a chain 4, and then we work 5 double crochets on chain 1, and once we have worked 5 double crochets on our first chain, we are going to skip one stitch and work slip stitch on next 2 stitches. So we're going to repeat this. Now we have worked our second petal here. We're going to repeat this 3 more times. So our fan flower will have 5 petals. So once you have worked 5 double crochets, you're going to skip one stitch and work a slip stitch on the next stitch. We're going to skip one stitch and work a slip stitch on the next stitch. And then we are going to work one more slip stitch on the next stitch as well. and then repeat this all over again. Work a chain 4, work 5 double crochets on chain 1, and then skip 1 stitch and work slip stitches on next 2 stitches. So continue this 3 more times. I'll meet you at the end of this round. So now our last slip stitch will be on our starting stitch. So you can work after your last stitch, you can weave the ends, you can fasten off, and you should have your fan flower. So you need to make one more of this flower for a pair of earrings, and you can cut off all the odd ends once done, and you will need to block this earring because you can see it's not very stiff. So you have to make a solution of 1 part of glue and water, and dip your work in this and add dry for 24 hours. I have a complete blocking instruction of in one of my earring tutorial. I'll attach the description of that tutorial as well in the description box. Now I have a blocked piece here. You can see the difference of blocked and unblocked fan flower. So it's essential for us to block your earrings, and once you have blocked them, I'm just gonna add or sew in a small pearl to the center of this earring. This is totally optional. If you don't want to do this, you can probably skip it. And I'm just gonna go ahead add a pearl to the center of the earring, and next step we would add these earrings to the earring hoops or fish hooks. So I'm gonna add the fish hooks to my earrings, and my earrings will be done. So I've made fan flower earrings in many other colors. You can see all of them look so cute and beautiful. So I'm going to attach the fish hooks to my earrings. So this is such a cute earrings, and as spring is coming, you can make these earrings and you can gift them, or you can use it for yourself. It's very nice springtime craft. So try this earring pattern at home, and let me know your comments. I hope you enjoyed making this fan flower earrings with me. I would like to see your comments, and if you want a free written pattern of this beautiful earrings, it's available in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. I have many other earring tutorials in my channel as well. If you like this video, I hope you will like that videos as well. I will post the playlist in the description box. Once again, if you want a free written pattern of this earrings, it's available in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Link for that is available in the description. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.